What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Alibaba Group Holdings with the ticker symbol BABA. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So this is going to be another market structure update chart analysis for Alibaba Group Holdings. I look at Alibaba every Wednesday and Friday. So this is the same drawings that I had since Wednesday. I didn't change a thing. And you can see the price is falling towards that measure move target that I marked probably a week or two ago. So you can see this measure move target is from the previous impulse. So generally, if price pulls back and we start dropping again, it can make a similar size impulse. So this was the first impulse down, and this is the second impulse down, targeting the range lows at the $80 level, or more specifically or accurately at the 81.02. So that is the target that the bears are trying to reach. And why are they trying to reach that is because the bulls did not show any signs of strength. You can see that when we hit the top side of a range, price will attempt to reach the opposite side, which we're doing right now. However, it could have been invalidated if this trend line was holding. But in this case, the trend line for the bulls did not hold at all. And that shows a loss of strength in the market. For the bulls, in this case, this shows control back by the bears. So basically, the bears have this trend line working in their favor. You can see that it is off the first two swings right here, including the origin. It would be 3 swings down, and then we can see that price is below the EMA. The bears did break the trend line. They have the range rules in favor of them, and the measurement target is lower. So a lot of things are stacked in favor of the bears, not necessarily a lot for the bulls as of right now. Measure moves aren't always reached, so we could see this also invalidated. But for that to be determined, we need to see a strong amount of buying, very similar to what happened back here in mid-August, from August 18th to about early September. If we see the same type of strength by the bulls, there might be a chance that the bears might not be able to reach the range lows. As right now, they are targeting the range lows. It looks like they are succeeding. Price has been dropping consistently and consecutively since last Friday, September 8th, from that bounce from that trend line. So it looks like the bears are still dominating in the short term for Alibaba. So I'm looking for the $80 target, 81.02 to be more accurate. But either way, it looks still weak in my opinion. Let's take a quick look on the weekly chart to wrap it up. And I'll provide another update next week, Wednesday. So you can see that we have 2 consecutive red weeks in a row. This week has finished closing, so it has finished red. So this signifies that this entire week price has dropped lower between Monday and Friday, the sum total. And it looks like it's targeting the range lows because price goes back and forth between 2 price levels, and that's why it's called a range because it's stuck within these upper and lower limits. So the next target would be the range lows. Even without the measure move target, you can say that price is most likely headed to the range lows because that is the range rules. Now, if you use a measure move target, that also adds confluence to that assessment. So I'm looking for the range lows to be reached at the $80 level, and then we'll go from there. But either way, I'll give you guys an update if I see something drastically change, like somehow we do find a double bottom, which is very unlikely, then we could see a move up higher. But until then, price is most likely going to be traveling towards that $80 level. And we're already reached the 87, so we already have penetrated the $80 level. We're going to reach the low $80 levels most likely in the coming days and weeks. So that's all I have for Baba. I have to go with what I see in the chart. Right now, I'm seeing a lot of things stacked in the favor of the bears. In some other instances, there's a lot of things stacked in the favor of the bulls. But in this case, that is not accurate. So I'm looking for the downside, and I'll give you guys an update next week, Wednesday. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.